In this video, we will show you how to change your Google profile picture on mobile Google apps and on your computer browser. You can change your profile picture from the Chrome app, the Google app or the Google Maps app. We are going to show you how to do it from the Chrome app, but the process is the same for any of the other apps. Open the Chrome app, then tap Profile Picture icon. Tap Manage your Google accounts. On the next page, tap your picture. Then select Change Profile Picture in the pop-up. Select Device Photos, then click Continue. Select your picture and crop your preferred picture. And your profile picture will be automatically updated. Once in your Chrome browser, select your profile picture icon. If you already logged in the account you want to change, select the camera icon. On the next page, click Change. Click from Computer, then click Upload from Computer. Choose a picture from your computer, then select Open. Crop the picture to your liking. Then click Set as Profile Photo and your profile picture will be automatically updated.